Hey guys, today we're talking about wireframe and surface plots. We'll be using our example from the previous video and modify it. So here it is again. We have 100 points and this is the result using the contour method. 20 steps, Z direction, set to Z. Now, to plot wireframes and surfaces, you can use the plot wireframe and plot surface methods respectively. Let's start with a wireframe. So, plot wireframe, and here it is. Okay. You can also specify the maximum number of samples in each direction. By default, these two keyword arguments are set to 50. Let's change one of them to 10 to see the difference. So, rCount equals 10. You can see the difference now. Now the grid is less dense in the vertical direction. And now let's set CCount to 10 and use the default value of 50 for rCount. So CCount equals 10. Now the grid is less dense in horizontal direction. And now let's set both these arguments to very small numbers, like rCount 5, CCount 5. And now let's have a look at surface plots. They are just like the wireframe plots with the difference that the faces are filled polygons. So let's modify our example again. Now using the plot surface method, just like with wireframes, you can use the rCount and CCount keyword arguments. So let's set rCount to 20, CCount to 10. And here's the result. Good. And that's it for this video. See you around, guys. Hey guys, my name is Kamel and I'm a Python programmer. And today I would like to talk about my book, GUI Programming with Python and Kivy. Now in this book we're creating a project from scratch.
Oh, no.
Now here you can see some samples from the book. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this book, you will find the links to it down in the description below. So, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you will have at least as much fun reading my book as I had writing it. So, see you around. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.